You work 40, 50, maybe even 60 hours a week. You're reliable, you hit your deadlines, and you do good work. But you have this nagging feeling, this feeling that you're worth more. Your bank account doesn't reflect your effort. You feel stuck, underpaid, and undervalued. If that sounds like you, keep watching. Because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you why your income hasn't increased and the exact framework that helps you escape it. Zenith Hub. To increase your income, you need to understand how money actually moves. It's not magic. It's a simple formula I call the PPS model. First P, person. Someone who has money, but more importantly, someone who has a painful problem. Second P, problem. Not a small inconvenience, a major bottleneck. Something that's costing them money, wasting their time, or blocking their growth. S, solution. This is your skill, your service, your offer. The thing that removes the pain. That's it. Money flows to people who remove pain. Your income isn't tied to time or effort. It's tied to the value of the problem you solve. This is why some skills pay a fortune and others keep you stuck. Which brings me to the story of David. Meet David, a talented freelance graphic designer. He creates beautiful social media graphics and website banners. But he's frustrated. Clients constantly haggle over his prices. He gets emails like, $100 for a banner? My nephew can do that for $20 on Canva. He's treated like a commodity. He's selling something nice to have, but he can't prove that his designs make his clients money. He's stuck doing low-paying, one-off projects. Burnt out. Then he has his aha moment. He realizes the problem isn't his design skill. It's his value proposition. Businesses don't want pretty. They want to be profitable. Their real pain point isn't an ugly website. It's a low conversion rate. So David makes a shift. He stops calling himself a graphic designer and starts calling himself a conversion specialist. He finds a client with a struggling online store. Instead of saying, I can redesign your site, he says, your product page is losing you money. I will redesign the page, rewrite the headline, and optimize the Buy Now button to increase your sales. We'll test my design against your old one, and my fee will be based on the result. The result? His new design boosts sales by 20% in 1 month. That's an extra $10,000 for the client. David charges $2,500, and he earns 10 times more. He escaped the commodity trap. Low-value skills solve convenience problems. Admin work, basic tasks, and things businesses see as costs. High-value skills solve growth problems, things directly tied to making more money, increasing customers, or saving huge amounts of time. Think about skills like AI and workflow automation, sales and marketing funnels, conversion rate optimization, like David, turning website visitors into buyers. If your skill makes someone money, they will gladly pay you a piece of it. So if you feel stuck, ask yourself one question. Am I solving a small convenience problem or a big, expensive growth problem? You don't escape the feeling of being underpaid by working more hours. You escape it by learning a skill that solves a more valuable problem. And that shift starts today. Subscribe or stay broke.